Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid! What do you say? What you want to learn today?
I want to know why things happen and how, and want to know everything now.
Hello, kids! I am Shiela and I am Celine. We are going to discuss about the growth of animals. Enjoy! Animals change as they grow. As they grow, they change in size. They change in body parts. They change in body coverings, and they change in their movements.
Yes.
Butterflies go through a life cycle. There are 4 stages. The first stage is the eggs. This is where a girl butterfly lays eggs. She lays them on a leaf. The second stage is the caterpillar. This is where the eggs hatch. It takes about 5 days for the eggs to hatch. A caterpillar then comes out. At this stage, the caterpillar eats all the time. It also grows really fast. Once it is all the way grown, the third stage starts. Inside the pupa, it starts to change. It soon changes into a butterfly. Once the caterpillar has changed into butterfly, the 4th stage starts. This is also the last stage in the life cycle. The 4th stage is the butterfly. A butterfly comes out of the pupa. It can now learn to fly. It can also find a mate. When it finds a mate, it lays eggs. The life cycle process starts over again. Frogs go through a life cycle. There are 5 stages. The first stage is the egg. Tiny frog eggs are laid in masses in the water by the female frog. The eggs hatch into tadpoles. The second stage is the tadpole, also called as the polywog. This stage hatches from the egg. The tadpole spends its time swimming in the water, eating and growing. The second stage is the tadpole, also called as the polywog. This stage hatches from the egg. The tadpole spends its time swimming in the water, eating and growing. Tadpoles breathe using gills and have a tail. The third stage is the tadpole with legs. In this stage, the tadpole sprouts legs and then arms, has a longer body and has a more distinct head. It still breathes using gills and has a tail. The 4th stage is the froglet. In this stage, the almost mature frog breathes with lungs and still has some of its tail. The 5th stage is the adult frog. The adult frog breathes with lungs and has no tail. The 5th stage is the adult frog. The adult frog breathes with lungs and has no tail. It has been absorbed by the body. Question number 1. When a caterpillar changes into a butterfly, the process is called... You're right! The answer is metamorphosis. Question number 2. What emerges from the pupa? You're right! The answer is butterfly. Question number 3. How do froglets breathe? You're right! The froglets breathe. Question number 4. How do tadpoles breathe? Ding, ding. You're right! Tadpoles breathe through gills.
Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid! What do you say? What you want to learn today?
I want to know why things happen and how, and want to know everything now. Oh yeah! How does this thing work? Why does that stuff change? How does that do what it just did? What's up with the sky? You think I could fly? The world is spinning and I want to know why. I got a lot of happening how and wanna